Hello everyone. Today we are here with an exciting video tutorial of Stata 12. In this video, we are going to learn generating summary statistics, creating frequency tables, histograms, examining the variables, and analyzing missing data. So let's jump right in. We are starting with summary statistics. To generate summary statistics, we just put a command sum with selecting a variable and press enter. It shows that there is 50 observation of population in the data with the mean value, standard deviation, minimum and maximum value. Summary statistics basically define the characteristic of the variable. Now we move towards creating frequency table. To create frequency table, we write tabulate and select the variable population again. Press enter. It shows frequency table. These are the categories and their frequencies with the percentage and cumulative percentage. You can see the full table here. Frequency table provides the distribution of the variable. We can also see the distribution of variables by histogram. To construct histogram, we write histogram and select the variable. Here we can see the histogram of the population. Generally, we examine the distribution of variables by starting with summary statistics, then followed with frequency table, and we can also check the distribution of the variables by creating histogram. Now, last but not the least, I can explain the missing variable. To find the missing data, we can write a command this command shows there is any missing data in any variable, but there is no missing data. That's why it shows variables non-missing or string. This is all a comprehensive tutorial on how to use Stata 12 and how to generate summary statistics, creating frequency tables, histogram, examining variables, and analyzing missing data. I hope you find it a good tutorial. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.